YouTube. Okay, we're live on YouTube now. I have Maciel Guillermo in front of me. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Guillermo, can you raise is it Maciel?
Yes, sir.
Which is your last name?
Maciel.
Maciel. Mr. Maciel, do you swear that the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. All right, do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Your name, Guillermo Maciel. Is your name Guillermo Maciel?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Guillermo Maciel who in this cause number 702-218, who's charged with the offense of theft of
Yes,
something
sir.
having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor.
Yes, sir.
It's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. And when you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of theft of something having value between $100 and $750, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Is it guilty again?
Let's try that again. Look at your cursor here. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
No contest?
Guilty again.
All right.
Or,
Let's try this
no,
again.
no contest. No contest. Yeah, no contest.
Okay. You understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please decide it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 12 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to rent concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Calderola?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Maciel?
Yes, sir.
Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I'll follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 12 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied.
Okay.
If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today.
Okay,
Unless
thank
there's
you.
another case holding you. Okay? You understand?
No. Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
And Ms. Calderola, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Terry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on.
Good luck, sir.
Bye, Phil. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that takes care of that one. And then the other one we had that was ready was
Accord, Destiny, Judge.
Destiny Accord. Okay. And I have
Sean
that
Chef.
thing now. Okay. Mr. Cord, can you raise your right hand for me? Swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Destiny Accord? Mr. Accord, you're going to have to speak up louder. I can barely hear you. Get closer to the computer or speak louder, one or the other. Okay? Let's try this again. Is your name Destiny Accord?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Destiny Accord who in this cause number CC 727-690 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $1,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me sign this document 1 minute. I'm now, and are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed it, this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that, man?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 7 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Sheffield?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Cord?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Cord, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 7 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Mr. Sheffield, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Terry.
Hey, what do we got next?
I sent you a chat, Kendra. I'm losing my voice.
I'm sorry. Okay, Mr. Willerson, very quickly, do you have an offer on Edward Gorilla?
Yeah, I do. And we're
Okay.
we're in agreement on that.
Okay, I'm moving you to room 2 to talk to your client. There
Thank you.
go. All right, Pat, what's going on, Pat?
I'm pretty darn sure we have an agreement and you have all the paperwork, but I'm
Okay,
waiting on
Judge
Ms. Mitchell to look at it.
Alexis Gonzalez, Judge.
Okay, so who do we have this next? That's Gonzalez?
Alexis Gonzalez.
Alexis?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can find. There we go. Okay, Miss Gonzalez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes
Yes,
or no,
sir.
ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Let's see. All right. Do you see the screen, man?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Alexis Gonzalez? I'm sorry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you the same Alexis Gonzalez who in this cause number CC 732-005 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Sir.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed, that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that, man?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anybody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is? Ms. Mitchell?
Yeah,
My
yes.
my apologies. Pat and I are conferring still. There has been no agreement in this case as of right now.
Okay, do you need to go to breakout room with Mr. Montgomery?
Yes, please.
Let's put you in a breakout room, but let's make it quick, okay? Come out, and then if we don't have agreement, we'll just pass.
Okay,
Please, but-
moving you to 6, Pat.
Teresa, can you stick your head in the breakout room 6 and see what's going on with those guys?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Oh, they closed, Teresa?
Yeah, Judge, they're back, Judge. Let's see, is Pat, are you there, Pat?
I still have them as being in the breakout room.
Okay, they should be coming out, Judge. I think, Pat needs to talk to his, client. Let me see. They should be coming out. Okay, here they come.
Okay, Pat, you need to talk to your client?
Apparently so, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna just stop the share on this plea and we'll pick it up later if we have to. If not, then we'll just trash it. But
Yes.
right now, I'm gonna stop the share. Can you put Pat in a breakout room with his client, Teresa?
Judge, can I ask you a question before I go
Yes,
to the
sir.
breakout room? If this whole thing falls through and we have a 17-year-old in jail on a first offense trespass, can you consider the bond or no?
I'm sorry, Pat, but I don't do bonds unless it's at a bond hearing.
I hear
And
you.
I will not do it
Yeah,
unless both sides agree to the bond. Okay,
yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's just the new way things are done, you know?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but it's not the old county court 2 days, so I
I
can't.
hear you. Thanks.
Uh,
Your Honor.
Go to one, Pat. Your client should be in one. Mr. Willerson?
Yeah, we're ready, Terry.
All right.
Okay, who's Mr. Wilson's client?
Edward Gorilla, Judge. First one on the first page. Girela.
Okay, I got his paperwork right here. Let me put it up.
Good to see you, Judge.
Good to see you, Ms. Wilson. Hold on 1 minute. Okay.
Barry, where's my client?
Client heard that he had you as a lawyer and he's hiding.
They can't seem to find him, but
And I said that on YouTube. I can't believe I said that on YouTube. I'm sorry. I apologize. Okay, I got Mr. Gorilla's paperwork in front of me. Mr. Gorilla, can you raise your right hand? You swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. And do you see my screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Edward Gorilla, or is it Gorilla?
Girela. Yes, sir.
Gorilla. Are you the same Edward Gorilla who in this cause number 731029 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand
Yes,
that,
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 22 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Wilson?
It is, Judge.
You agree with this, Mr. Hirela?
Yes, sir.
Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 22 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today, right? Unless there's
Yes,
another case that's holding you.
No, sir.
Good luck to you, sir. Okay?
Thank you.
And Mr. Wilson, you may be excused. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Judge.
All right, Pat, what are we doing on Alexis Gonzalez?
She wants to proceed today under the new terms, and she wants to get out of jail today. So
What are the new terms?
it is a probation case now instead of a JSAT case. And the probation is a straight probation, so the prosecution is requesting. The email to me just said probation. It didn't say deferred. I figured a first offender trespass got deferred, but anyway, so I don't know if we need to redo the paperwork or if you can send me separately a application, because I did the paperwork for the JSAT on the criminal trespass.
Alex, does he need new paperwork? Valverde?
Oh, that's a clerk question, Judge.
Okay. So, well, God, I thought you knew.
Sorry. What was the question again?
Tonight, does he need new paperwork? He had paperwork for a jail time plea. Now it's going to be a probation. Does he need new paperwork?
Let me double check really quick. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Tonight, if you can just send the application or the data sheet, she can do that separately because all the other paperwork's in.
Okay, give me 1 second. So,
You need to talk to him?
Tonight, I can do the data sheet with her. If that helps any.
Yes, that would be good.
Yeah, I'll do the data sheet with her, Pat, so.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
She's done with the
Alex,
plea. I'll
for the
put her on
rescue.
bond.
Yeah, she can, so you want to finish with the plea, Judge?
We go to the plea. Let's see.
Yeah, we got to finish the plea on Alexis Gonzalez.
We ended at the time that you asked, do you have an agreement with the state?
Okay, here we go. Got it right here. Okay, Gonzalez, let me find her on my paper docket. I had her. All right, here we go. Okay, let me share my screen again. Okay, we're in the middle of taking Ms. Gonzalez's plea. She had already pled, I believe, no contest.
Correct, Your Honor.
And I had admonished her on that plea, I believe already. Did I not?
You did, sir.
So we were about ready to we were at the point where the state was going to give me their the plea bargain. What is the plea bargain, please?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement is for a $200 fine, fully probated, court costs, 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, probated for 6 months, 24 hours of community service, and a no contact order with Robert Romero for the location at 639 East Mandalay, San Antonio, Texas, 78212.
Okay, and why aren't you giving this lady a deferred if she's got a clean record and that she's 17 years old? Can you tell me that?
I offered Mr. Montgomery to go back to the home court, who are the prosecutors that review the case and have reviewed the case of the co-defendant and know more about the criminal history and what is going on in the case. He declined.
It's unfortunate, Judge, that my client wants very badly to be released from jail today, and the process of trying to track down a home court prosecutor and get an agreement for deferred would have slowed down her release. So she's elected to take the agreement proposed by Ms. Mitchell.
And I don't have a problem with the probation case, but I'm wondering why it can't be a deferred. If the court does a deferred, does that
You're always free to give a better deal than that agreed. What I cannot do is I cannot ask you for something better than what I have agreed to, because
yeah. No, the court's doing this on its own motion. Does she have a clean rap sheet?
I don't know, Your Honor. I don't have.
She does, and she's prepared to testify under oath that she's never been arrested as a juvenile nor as an adult. I brought up co-defendant's rap sheet. He's got 5 cases pending, and one of which is a domestic violence, and he's currently incarcerated in county jail.
Okay, Ms. Gonzalez, let me tell you the difference between deferred and regular probation. You get offered regular probation right now, but there's this thing called deferred adjudication, which is a fancier form of probation. The good part about that probation is if you successfully complete it, you can truthfully say you were never convicted of a crime. The bad part about it is if you screw up while you're on that probation, I can give you the maximums. I can give you the maximum 6 months and the maximum $2,000 fine as punishment. Do you understand that? And do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so would you like to have you just want the regular probation?
Good morning. What's going on?
We'd like the deferred, Your Honor.
Now I need her to tell me.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you want the regular probation or do you want the deferred?
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
The deferred one, do I get out today?
Either one, you're going to get out on probation or deferred today. That's not going to delay you one way or the other.
Okay, and can you repeat what the regular probation is?
I recommend to you that you accept deferred if the judge is going to give it to you.
Okay, then I'll deferred.
You want to go for the deferred? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, Ms. Mitchell, you're going to have to tell whoever that prosecutor is that's doing these unreasonable offers that he needs to start looking at his cases closer. And if he wants to talk to me about it personally, I'd be glad to give him a lesson in prosecution 101. Okay. This
Yes,
is
Your
kind of
Honor.
crazy. If you got a clean person with a clean rap sheet, they ought to be offered deferred on this if they're going to do probation. Okay. The court's, ma'am, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication of this matter for 1 year. I place you on probation for 1 year. I assess a fully probated $200 fine. That fully probated thing means that you don't have to pay this fine unless you screw up. All right. If you screw up, then you'll have to pay that fine.
Yes, sir.
Court costs, community service hours. There were no 24 hours of community service. And let me see. No contact with what is it? Robert Ramos or Romero? I can't read my writing.
It was Romero.
Okay, R. Romero. And then there's an address also of 639 East. What's the address again? Is that Mandalay?
Yes, Your Honor. MANCALAY.
Okay. And Alex Valverde, if you can give her the minimum supervisory fee. All right. You're going to have to please tell the bailiffs or the deputies that you need to stick around, that you need to talk to the probation office. Okay. Once you talk to the probation officer, you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you. All right.
May I go back into the breakout room with Alex
I think I'm fine with that.
Yeah, move yourself back to one and since you're already there, Pat and Alex and the defendant can go back to room 1, please, bailiffs. Okay.
Judge, I would move for early termination right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you, Pat. I'm still doing her paperwork, so if you want to go in there, go ahead.
Thank you.
But I agree with you.
Okay.
If it was possible, I would have said do a 1-day deferred.
Well, boy,
Judge, I was going to move
you're
for
pretty
early
liberal, Judge,
termination.
but I give out good deals, but I couldn't give out that good a deal. Okay.
I did that
All right.
once with Judge Chavarria. He said, your client's.
Remember, we're live on YouTube. This is all being recorded somewhere by some master person, so don't tell any stories you might regret.
5 minutes. I said, okay, Judge, 5 minutes isn't long enough. I get it.
5-minute deferred. Okay, that would have been good. All right, now what's
I
next?
seem to have lost my assignment for the breakout room.
Okay, Pat, let me move you, let's see, I'm gonna move you to room 2, Pat, and then I'll move you back to room 1.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go ahead, move to 2.
Whatever happened to Abe Garza's client? Is he finished hiding from Abe?
I don't know where he's at. Bailiffs, any word on Salias?
He's making tacos for the bailiffs, Judge.
Yeah, probably.
Making
Real
tacos.
quick,
Bailiffs. Now
Miss-
that's good.
Mr. Go ahead and move yourself to what? There you go. Okay, Mr. Let's see, Collins, you got an offer on Elizardo? You're muted.
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm moving you to room 2, Mr. Collins, to talk to your client. There you
Okay.
go.
Thank you.
All right, there you go. And yeah, I don't know where, okay, let me go ask where, they didn't answer me. Let me see. Salias. Okay. Okay. All right, nope. So, yeah, let them, yeah, judge, bailiffs don't have a clue where he's at.
So here's the deal. Abe,
Yes.
so apparently he was a trustee this morning. They had a shakedown on the fourth floor. They're calling, they're trying to locate him. They're going to bring him back down. It's just taking a little bit of time.
Okay.
So
Thank
the
you.
question is, David, do you have time? I mean, if you don't want time, we'll reset
No,
this.
that's fine.
Okay,
Let's get it over with.
okay.
Try to get
Thank
him
you,
out.
Dave. Thank you.
Okay, then,
I can do my work on my computer while I'm here.
well, all right, then hang around and hopefully they'll find him.
Yeah, Mr.
But it depends on how hard he's trying to hide from you. Because if he's really, no.
I
Judge,
got Salias. He's going to go to 3.
he's making tacos for the bailiffs, Judge.
Yeah.
But
I'm
you
sure he
got
was.
Salias? Did I hear that right?
Yes, yes. Room 3, Abe.
Your
Thank you.
client is finished hiding from you. Room 3, Abe. Okay. Okay, Mr. Collins. He's got
Yes.
Reynoso.
Oh, Lordy, Lordy.
We haven't done yet. Golly. Yeah, Dave on that one. And then I have, we got 2 cases left. We have Salias and Elizardo, correct? I believe that's what we have.
I'm calling the interpreter to get on, Judge, for Salias. That's a Spanish speaker. Once Abe's
Okay.
finished, Arlene said she'd log in 5 minutes, Judge.
Can we get the pretrial to come in too? I mean, while we
Sure. Yes,
or,
and talking about the pretrial, Judge, the felony docket, I only highlighted which ones we were doing, because they
Okay.
didn't send me the list until this morning of who was removed and all that stuff. So
Who's
pretrial's
the
gonna go
attorney?
through all
Gary
that.
Warren is the attorney for the misdemeanors, is that right? Or who's the
Misdemeanors, the misdemeanors today is for Patrick Lamas, and on the felony, and the felony is Alma Benavides, and I'll get them on right now.
oh, we don't, okay.
You want me
I
to
just
get
want to
those
know
on?
they're no
Yeah.
longer on the docket, so I need to ask.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't write. They didn't, when they did the dockets, they didn't send that to me, so sorry
Okay.
about that.
That's good to know. So no, I don't need them yet, but I do need, I would like to have trial here if
Oh, okay, got it, Judge. Got it, Judge.
if you
Mr.
decide-
Collins is here. Mr.
Mr.
Collins?
Collins, what's going on with your guy?
On Elizardo, yes, Your Honor, I've got an offer. I thought we were going to get a JSAT offer, but we got a 1-year probation offer, which my client said he'll be willing to take. He has a little bit of a criminal history. So I filled out the paperwork. I thought it was going to be a JSAT, but it's going to have to be a regular probation.
Okay, but do you have your paperwork ready? And are you
I
ready?
turned in the rest of the paperwork, but I just got to talk. I got to go over paperwork with my client.
Okay. All right.
The bailiffs will bring up the paperwork for you, Mr. Collins, as long as
Right.
you sent your, yeah, so go
Right, I
back
just
to
did-
2.
It was
Go
just
ahead.
like this is just like Pat's case where we changed it to a probation case. And I
Okay.
didn't know what else you want me to do.
Probation, no, we'll go with the same paperwork. Probation will do all the other stuff they need
Okay.
to do, so don't worry about that. As long as your client signs on that paperwork, that's
I'll
all we
get it.
need.
I'll get it
All
done.
right, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Give me
sir.
1 second.
Okay. Miss Mitchell, can you start talking to these prosecutors? I mean, I can understand on the assault cases where they want to contact a complainant, or maybe they want to put the person on probation and stuff. This is a burglary of a vehicle case. Why are they offering? I mean, this is supposed to be a jail court. I mean, it was usually we plea guys for time served. Can someone talk to these prosecutors in these other courts and tell them that Judge Canales is wondering what the hell's going on with these guys? Okay.
Think specifically with the last case, I think the facts of the case were, for me to go agree to go open to the court or anything less than what was offered, I would have needed more time to review the case than I just had during this.
Well, I understand
but-
in some particular instances,
Yeah.
they want to talk to a complainant, they want the guy on probation because they may be living together and all that stuff, but this is a burglary of a vehicle case. I mean, why are they offering probation in this case? Is you know, and maybe someone needs to tell them that the jail court judge, being the unreasonable bastard that he is, and I'm saying that on YouTube, wants to have a reason why they're doing it. Okay, when they do this, put a reason as to why.
I would never use those words to describe you, but I will inquire as to reasons
be my
why.
guest.
No, I
And
would
use
never.
arbitrary and capricious bastard along with it. Okay.
No.
All right. All right. Let's see. I'm saying all this on YouTube. I can't believe I'm doing this. All right. Now, do we have pretrial? Do we have someone?
No, Judge, not yet. They should be logging in. I already called them to log
Okay.
in. So, Alma's already here. Karen Corby's got somebody on the misdemeanor docket, Judge, so they're holding on. And I'm still waiting for the interpreter to get on, to
Okay.
finish this plea with Abe.
Karen, we got two pleas that are conferring right now. And what I'd wanted to do was go over the docket with pretrial. So,
It's
and
Maria
then as soon
today,
as I
Judge.
can start doing the bonds, I will. But right now we're kind of in a
Yeah,
holding pattern.
Maria's here, Judge. Maria.
Okay. Hey, Maria,
Good morning.
I'd like to go over the docket, the bond dockets with you if I can.
Yes, sir. Which one would you like to start with?
Let's start with the misdemeanors.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, I got that in front of me. So the misdemeanors, number 1's on bond, number 2,
Should be there.
number 3 on bond, number 4 not handled, number 5,
Number 5 and 6 should be there.
7 not handled, 8 on bond, 9,
9 is should be there. Summers. Yeah, she was gonna have an interview, but she should be there.
10 not handled,
Correct.
11 not handled.
11 how was bonded out.
Okay. 12 not handled,
Correct.
13 on bond, 14,
14 should be there.
We're ready.
Well,
Okay.
14,
15.
yes, should be there.
I'm sorry, 14 should be
Complete
there.
state. Yes,
Okay, 15 on bond,
yes,
16
should be there.
should be there, 17 on bond. 18 on bond, 19.
No, 17's on bond, 18 should be there.
Okay, I have on 18 written bond.
Is it
Oh,
Perry,
okay.
Perry Quinn should be there. Do you have Perry Quinn?
Let me see. Perry Quinn,
That's number 18.
number 18. Yes, I do have Perry.
Okay, then I'm gonna scratch that out.
Okay.
Let's say
Okay.
we have her.
Okay. All right,
All right.
Judge.
19
Was released on bond.
on bond, okay. 20 in the hospital, 21 on
Correct.
bond, 2 on bond, 23,
23 should be there.
24 not handled,
24 is not handled.
25 on bond,
25 is on bond.
26,
Should be there.
27 on bond.
26 in South Tower still.
South Tower, okay.
So not present?
Right.
No, yes, we'll have to reset.
Okay, so 26 is gonna be a reset. Okay, 27 on bond,
Mhm.
28 through 34, either all on bond, 35 on bond, 36 not handled, 37 not handled, 38,
38 should be there.
39
39 was bonded out.
is on bond,
Yes.
40 on bond, 41 not handled, 42, 43, and 44 should be there.
Yes, and let me just make a correction, Judge. Number 5, Rodriguez Francisco,
Uh-huh,
he did bond out.
He's on bond.
Judge,
Yes,
so your last two pleas are ready whenever you are.
I am. Okay, let me just finish with this, with the PR bonds, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll do that as soon as I finish with what I started.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the felonies, Maria,
Yeah,
1, 2, and 3, either on bond or not handled, correct?
correct.
4,
4 is, should be there,
5,
has a warrant,
okay, not handled.
correct,
6 and 7 should be there.
correct,
8,
not handled,
9, 10, and 11,
should be there,
12, and 13 should be there.
should be, 12 and 13 should be there.
14,
14 is a not handled,
15,
be there,
16, and 17.
not hand, one refused and the other one's an ICE hold.
Okay.
Mhm.
18,
Should be there,
19, and 20.
19 and 20, released on bond,
21 and 22 should be there.
21, 22 should be there,
23 through 25, not handled or on bond.
correct, correct,
26 to 29, not handled or on bond.
correct,
30,
30 should be there,
31,
bond,
32,
32 and 33 should be there,
34 through 36, either not handled or on bond.
correct,
And actually 37 to 42, not handled or on bond. Is that correct?
correct, correct, and 39 was bonded out.
Okay.
I have 39
Thank you.
here. So you're saying 39 bonded out because I have 39 here.
Yes, this morning
Sandoval.
when I checked them, Odyssey showed bonded out
On
on
Sandoval,
cash
right?
bond, on a cash bond.
On Sandoval?
Yes, Sandoval David.
Okay, thanks.
But we'll double check it since he's there. I'll have somebody double check it.
Okay.
Okay. So now that we're finished, yes.
Real quick, I think Stevenson's here for the one you have the interpreter for that Afghanistan.
Okay. I'm sorry. And I'm not sure we have an Afghanistan interpreter. I don't know anything about that. What are we talking about?
Terry?
Your Honor,
Who's speaking?
Ben Stevenson, Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I have just been appointed a gentleman who is a Pashto speaker who does not speak a word of English, but it is known that he is a Pashto speaker. That's a language spoken in Afghanistan. To my knowledge, we don't have anybody in Bexar County who speaks that in the legal profession, and they have agreed, court services has agreed to try to provide an interpreter for this morning's bond hearing.
Okay.
Yeah, Judge.
Do we have an interpreter, Terry?
Well, they sent in the form, Judge, to have the Pashto interpreter. And they sent in the Zoom ID. I have the paper here, all of the information, but they have the Zoom link. They have everything. We just have to wait for them to get on. They're not here yet.
Okay, they're not here yet, Mr. Stevenson. No interpreter. No
I
court.
do have one other housekeeping matter. I've had these cases for several days already, and I do not have any discovery whatsoever, not even a police report. So when making arguments for a bond set, normally we reference the police report and the alleged incidents, but
Right.
Ever since over a week ago when I got appointed, I have nothing, and all 4 cases, which have strangely the same offense date, have no police report or any discovery whatsoever. So,
And Mr. Stevenson, TMI, too much information for me. Okay.
gotcha.
Now,
I'm saying if the state is there, I need police reports.
Okay, well, right now, let's see if you get an interpreter, and that way we'll give you a chance to talk to your client. And then after that, we'll see what happens, okay?
That would be great.
Okay, meantime, I've got 2 pleas that are out there that need to be done. And Mr. Garza has been patient all morning long on his case. So I'd like to take care, is he the Spanish speaker, Abe?
Yes, he is. And Arlene's here, I think.
Yes.
Okay,
Arlene's
and
here.
so let's do that case. Let me pull that one up. There's Mr. Salias. I got his paperwork up. And then I have the dreaded interpreter here, the normal dreaded interpreter.
The normal one.
Not the Afghanistan interpreter, but the
No.
Darth Vader of the Spanish interpreter. Arlene Abrams. Let me go ahead and
My personal interpreter.
Oh, there you go.
let me hit the interpretation button here. Hold on. They are- Okay, there we go. Right there. I've hit start on that, and now I'm going to go to interpretation and hit English only. So now, we have that set up at the bench?
Still waiting for it.
Can you test it out, Arlene?
You said they were waiting for it.
There it is.
Wait. Oh. How about now?
Okay, we got it.
Hey.
Is it working?
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Elias, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Hey.
Is your name Elimor Gatica Salas?
Could be
Eliomar Salai Gatica.
Salais, Judge. It should be S-A-L.
Salais, okay. Your
Eliomar.
name Elimor Gatica Salais.
Eliomar Salai Gatica. S-A-L-A-I-S.
Okay. Are you the same person who in this paperwork and this cause number is charged with the offense of in this cause number 2024 CC 737-131, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Hey.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail, and it's fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Hey.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in court. Is that correct?
Correcto.
I'm looking at another document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. You go over this document with your attorney.
Hey.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Hey.
And do you understand it?
Claro.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Soy residente.
You understand that a plea of guilty or finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Hey.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Hey.
Mr. Garza, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, and he does.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Hey.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
And do you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Hey.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Claro.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 19 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Garza?
That is, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Elias?
No, you're good. You're good.
And so the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I filed a plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 19 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Abe, does your client have an immigration hold?
No, Your Honor, not to my knowledge.
Okay. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right. Good luck to you.
Gracias.
Buena suerte.
And Abe, thanks for being so patient with us this morning. And
No problem, Judge. Give me a chance to.
static.
Gracias.
Take care, man.
You guys have a good one.
Yes, that is all for you, Arlene. Thank you very much. Unless you can speak Afghanistan.
Thank you, Arlene.
Not today. Okay. And I was hoping.
The last
Okay.
plea, Judge, on Elizardo Reynaldo.
All right, now we got one more plea that is ready, and that is with Mr. Collins, I believe.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And that's Reynaldo Elizardo. Pull that up. Then we'll be going out to the bonds. So let's see. Mr. Elizardo, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, is your name Reynaldo Elizondo Jr.?
Yes, sir.
It's
Are you
actually
the-
Elizardo, Your Honor.
Elizardo or Elizondo?
No,
Which one is it?
Elizardo.
Okay. Sanai, can you please correct the paperwork to show that it's Elizardo, not Elizondo? It's got two different names on it.
Yes, I will.
Okay, are you the same Reynaldo Elizardo, who in this cause number 735-298, who's charged with the offense of burglary of vehicle? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Your Honor, I believe this is a Class A misdemeanor, Your Honor.
I thought I did. Did I not recite
You
that?
read off the Class B misdemeanor
I'm
punishment.
sorry. This is a Class A. It's punishable by anywhere from 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of burglary of the vehicle, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea? Besides the plea bargain, your lawyer has a plea bargain for you. Besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $300 fine, fully probated, court costs, 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, probated for 12 months, 40 hours of community service, an ATSE course, and a no contact order with Harold Morales.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Collins?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Elizaldo?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Elizaldo, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a fully probated $300 fine. That means you won't have to pay that fine unless you screw up and you get violated. I assess court costs. I sentence you to 365 days probated for 12 months. I assess 40 hours of community service. Make it a condition of your probation that you do the ATSC course and you have no contact with H. Morales. You're going to have to, please tell the deputies not to take you away, that you still have to talk to the probation officer. And, but after that is over with, you should be released sometime today, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
After you talk to the probation officer, if you don't have any other cases, you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and Mr. Deputies, make sure that he goes into a room with Alex Alvarez, the probation officer, please.
Yes, sir.
A little reminder, let's
You gotta
just
put a three.
get a, to finish the soda.
Okay, let me see.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Okay. You can be excused, Mr. Collins. I need to hear magic words from somebody. So won't be Valverde though. You still stuck here, Valverde. Sorry.
Turn off YouTube.
Turn off YouTube, and